Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and I wanted to kick this off for those of you that follow these videos each night. I just want to let you know that I appreciate it, along with your like and subscription to the YouTube channel, because I really do try to bring you ideas that are making money, stuff that is set to unfold right before it happens. One of the videos I did a couple weeks ago was titled "The Three R's," right? Reddit, Rocket Lab, and Roblox. And I just wanted to take a moment to show you, again, the foundation of what I study in technical analysis and how helpful it can be. Because this Reddit daily squeeze, I mean, what a great move, right? New lifetime highs today. So anywhere you bought it inside that, you hold it, give it a little bit of time to play out, that's been one of my best performers. Then you have names like Roblox, which may not be in your typical trader rotation. You know, it's not the Apples and Nvidias of the world. It's a little off the beaten path, but it's still within the foundation of a mature daily squeeze that you work to accumulate a position in at the 21 EMA, and it really can help provide directional movement. So those two have just been awesome. We'll see what Roblox does after earnings. And then, of course, Rocket Lab was the third of that trio that really has not moved yet. So maybe it still has it. You know, I'm going to look at that and tell you 2 out of 3 ain't bad, especially when those two move as they have. But again, that's the third. And I just wanted to give you a very brief recap of those. Now, from there, let's get back over into the title of the video, because I know that everybody is looking for the low in Nvidia. And if you're not, you should be, because even if you're not trading it, how Nvidia moves will affect how the S&P moves, and we have signals today that could be suggesting a bottom. Now, of course, bottom fishing in general can be a little precarious, but let me show you the method here. It begins by looking at a chart like the weekly and saying, in this very large time frame, we're going, for the most part, lower left to upper right. So if that is the path that is working to unfold, you know, something like this, on that big time frame, I want to try and find those moments of the trough, right? Where it is kind of cheap and getting ready to turn back up with that bigger picture tide. From there, I'll come down into, here in this case, the daily chart, where that concept is taken, looking for the lowest price of the past 21 days, right? So you can see right here, that was a fresh 21-day low as the air was released from the quantum bubble. I mean, that was a huge smashing. So you bet that's the lowest price it had seen in 21 days. And then notice through there, it does not trigger what I'm looking for in this blue arrow until just yesterday. You know, the next day makes an even lower price. It kind of progresses into then what we saw on this Monday. Again, another big flush. But then look at how Tuesday, the close of that is above the high of the low bar, and that can help you start to find bigger lift. You know, look at it right through here. There's that same blue arrow based on the same principle, and that took you all the way into a new lifetime high. Now, of course, the signal's not always going to be good for a new lifetime high. Here, it only bounced for maybe 5 days. What I'm looking for in the instance of this signal is that, you know, and of course that low is a long way down there. You don't have to risk that far down, but as long as that low does remain intact, I think we're going to be looking for 130. If the analysis is easy and direct, we will get it by this Friday. If it takes a little bit more time, maybe it is next Friday, but I think that makes for a good target. I think that helps us find areas where the product is at least done with the biggest part of the landslide. Now we just have to see if that bigger bounce is out there. So again, I appreciate your time and attention and reviewing the videos each night. I hope you've been making money with them, and hope to see you in the chat room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.